freedom. It's the 18th day of 64 days of peace. Peace. Yes. And freedom is our thought for today. And what are we free from? When it comes to peace, yes, we want to be free from oppression, free from fear, free from deprivation. We want to be free from our worries and our strength and our thoughts that make us crazy and our feelings that overwhelm us. We want to be free from the things we do that keep us from experiencing peace. Yes, we need to consider that if we are asking for freedom, that we must also give freedom. If I want to be free to love who I want to love, then I have to give the same freedom to others. If I want to be free from judgment, then I need to give that to others. I can give to myself the freedom to have peace. I can ask myself, where am I truly free? And when am I not free? And can I resolve these thoughts? As an artist, it is so important to feel free to express ourselves. As a human, the need for human expression is ancient. We have over 40,000, even 100,000 years of artistic creativity and freedom in the handprints that have been found on cave walls, carved, imprinted in stone. The desire for the human being to be free to express themselves is ancient. But first we must give it to ourselves. And it is essential that we free ourselves from being dependent upon how others act towards us. We must free ourselves from the need for approval. We have the opportunity to offer freedom. Are we willing to choose the powers of good freely? Not because the law says, not because our family tells us to, not because our race, our ethnic, our gender, our thoughts, societal laws, everything tells us we should be good or we should be this or that. Can we create our own philosophy of freedom where we choose with our higher selves to merge that higher sense of freedom with our lower self to bring us into this world and allow ourselves and those around us and the world around us true freedom without our defining and judging what their freedom should be. Freedom to love.